Did you know that most photographers, especially landscape and nature photographers, and a lot of travel photographers actually, they will spend their time photographing in the early light, the late light, and especially at night to get those beautiful star trail photos. And usually they go to sleep in their hotel at noon hour because noon is really harsh light and very unforgiving. However, I love to go out in the harshest light possible, which is usually around noon or anywhere between an hour or two before or after noon. And I always try to look for shafts of light going through cityscape scenes. So for example, if you're in an area with a lot of markets, maybe the stalls have light shining through, like in these Athens photos that I am showing you. Take a look at how much light, these streams of light, are illuminating any object that has any amount of reflective aspect to it. For example, the white hat or the clothing. But everything else is black, it's dark, because there was so much shadow to begin with. So what we're looking for in street photography for a lot of drama is black and white, super high contrast, like in the market areas, but especially under exposure, because you're usually going to have to make the picture a bit darker because the camera is going to want to correct for such a dark scene. Now, this is simply as using your exposure compensation and reducing the exposure, which means making it a bit darker. Do some experiments, test it out, and see if the photos are good. You don't want any of the highlights, what we call blown out, meaning too bright. So that's a little tip for today, and if you are traveling to Greece, I suggest the grittiness of Athens. Athens is fabulous for that gritty street photography look, and there's a lot of scenes like this in the market areas where you can get amazing high contrast shots like this. Okay, I hope that tip helped, and have fun photographing, and check out markhemmings.com for a lot more Greece photos, plus photos from other countries, and of course my photo workshops to Greece and many other locations. Have a great day.